Hello and welcome to Daily Instagram series 109 where I share health hacks to have a super healthy lifestyle. Whoever has joined my Insta live, please type hi in chat box so I know that you are engaged in my Instagram live. I welcome each and everyone who has joined this Insta live. I am broadcasting Instagram live every day at 3 p.m. 109 days to share health hacks to have a super healthy lifestyle. For new people who have joined new today, happy International Yoga Day. But I am not going to talk about yoga because you have heard enough of yoga. My name is Dr. M.K. Shivani. I am a medical professional, serial entrepreneur and a wellness coach where my mission is to help 1 lakh souls to have a 3P lifestyle, to optimize their life in a busy lifestyle, to have a life of balance with 3P: peak energy, peak health and peak productivity towards peace, progress and prosperity. So today I am going to cover up a topic that healthy tips or healthy hacks for diabetic people. You know that diabetes capital is India, is the diabetic capital, and most of the people it has become very common and people are taking it very lightly. It has become a part and parcel of life. It has become very normal for the people. People accept it. My grandfather, my mother and father had a diabetic, so sure I am going to be diabetic, because it is only because of the ignorance. But do you know that if prevention is always better than cure? If you know that there is a diabetes tendency and you are going to get diabetes, it's a high time that you should look that how you can prevent diabetes. So whoever has joined, again welcome an International Happy Yoga Day. Today I am not going to cover about yoga because you have heard about yoga. I had covered many tips for different organs. I have covered various diseases, and today is a diabetes. Diabetes is very common and it is seen that everybody is taking it as a very normal, and it has become a status point. Oh, I am a diabetic, I am a hypertension, BP, but it is not a normal. Prevention is always better than cure. If you know somebody in your family, maternal or paternal, have got diabetes, you should be aware. And my 4-step formula for a super healthy lifestyle is: first, you have to become aware about the problem or the issue. Second thing is that you have to make decision to install those habits to change your life problems and life diseases, and install that habit with daily food choices and have accountability partner to get better results. So here are the tips for a diabetes. I am not going to talk कि डायबिटीज कैसे होता है, क्यों होता है. You have got your doctor, so you have to respect your doctor, take those medications, but definitely you can control diabetes by healthy choices, by following the healthy tips, and also you can manage diabetes and future complications. You know that if your blood sugar डायबिटीज में ब्लड शुगर ज्यादा होता है, बट इफ इट इज नॉट टेकन प्रॉपरली, इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग प्रॉपर medication and proper lifestyle habits and food habits, you are going to tend into the complications of the diabetic. How many of you have heard diabetes है तो उसकी आंखें खराब हो गई है, उसको हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, उसका डाइजेशन ठीक नहीं है, उसका किडनी फेलियर हो गया है. Diabetes is like a slow poison. So you have to see that how you can manage. So here are the tips for diabetes. First is that you have to take a choice of healthier carbohydrates. आपको तो खाना खाना ही है, तो आपको रोटी चावल के बिना चलेगा नहीं. तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो है वो आपको हेल्दी कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स लेना है. तो क्या चॉइस कर सकते हैं? इंस्टेड ऑफ व्हाइट राइस आप ब्राउन राइस ले सकते हैं, फिर बकव्हीट ले सकते हैं, क्विनोआ ले सकते हैं, ओट्स ले सकते हैं. देन इंस्टेड ऑफ मिल्क यू कैन टेक स्किम मिल्क. फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स ले सकते हैं, बट देर आर सर्टन फूड्स जो डायबिटिक में हाई ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स वाले हैं, हाई शुगर वाले हैं, वो नहीं लेने हैं. एंड योगर्ट में भी जो अनस्वीटन योगर्ट है वो लेना है. मीन्स इफ इज गिवन तो बटर मिल्क लेना है, लस्सी नहीं लेना है. सेकेंड थिंग इज देयर डायबिटिक पीपल यू हैव टू ईट लेस सॉल्ट. आपको नमक कम खाना है, तो आप आपका खाना अलग कर सकते. थर्ड इज देयर यू हैव टू यूज लेस ऑफ रेड मीट एंड प्रोसेस मीट. रेड मीट जो होता है वो बिल्कुल मत खाइए. थोड़ा थोड़ा कम कर दीजिए। प्रोसेस मीट तो बिल्कुल नहीं खाना है। तो क्या खा सकते हैं आप अच्छा सा एग्स ले सकते हैं, ब्राउन एग्स मिलते हैं, कड़कनाथ एग्स मिलते हैं, वो ले सकते हैं। फिश ले सकते हैं, चिकन ले सकते हैं। एंड नट्स जो है वो अनसॉल्टेड नट्स आप ले सकते हैं। फिफ्थ इज दैट यू हैव टू ईट लॉट ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स। ये तो सब में कॉमन है, लेकिन आई एम पर्टिकुलरली टॉकिंग अबाउट डायबिटीज की। इसके ऊपर आपको ज्यादा फोकस करना है। आपका जो है उसी के ऊपर नजरिया होना चाहिए। बाकी घर में क्या खा रहे हैं उनका खाना अलग होने दे, लेकिन आपको यही खाना है। तो फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, अगेन अनस्वीटन फ्रूट्स है वो आपको खाना है। एवोकाडो ले सकते हैं। एवोकाडो इज अ गुड फैट फूड है। ऑयल में आप ऑलिव यूज कर सकते हैं, कोकोनट ऑयल यूज कर सकते हैं। नॉन सैचुरेटेड फैट जो है वो आपको नहीं खाना है। समथिंग लाइक बटर, बिस्किट्स, मैदा वाले आइटम्स, केक, ये आपको नहीं खाना है। एंड डेफिनेटली माइंडफुल ईटिंग करना है। आई नो दैट कि डायबिटिक लोगों को क्रेविंग्स होती है। बहुत बार जितना बोले कि ये नहीं खाना है, तो यू नो दैट कि मुझे तो शुगर बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मुझे ये स्वीट अच्छा लगता है, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट टेक वन. I'm giving you tip because I know I'm surrounded by a lot of diabetic customers, and even in my family also lot of diabetics are there. So they get sugar cravings. Particular एक का sugar craving होता है sweet का. तो what you have to do is you cannot stop them, or as a patient also you cannot stop yourself. So what you do is just take your आपका जो favorite dish है, maybe rasgulla, and you like it and you want to do 2-3 rasgulla खाना है. What you do is you take that rasgulla in front of you. Just feel, yeah, yes, I'm having that rasgulla. Oh, what a great taste, what a great smell. And you start as if you are eating, and then you will feel that. Once you have filled, just take 1/4 and eat it and just leave it. So you have to do mindful eating of your sugar cravings. You have to cut down added sugar. सेपरेटली एडेड शुगर नहीं लेना है. इट्स बेटर कि आप शुगर फ्री ले लो. शुगर मत डालो किसी में. अगर आपको लेना ही है तो यू नो दैट कि वो मिलता है 0 कैलोरी शुगर स्वीटनर मिलता है, वो ले सकते हैं. बट एक्सट्रीम में भी वो ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं है. देन यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्मार्ट विद द स्नैक्स. आपको जो स्नैक्स खाने हैं वो हेल्दी स्नैक्स लेने हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ having chips and biscuits, cakes and all that, you can have a healthy snacks. फ्रूट स्प्राउट्स वगैरह ले सकते हैं, हेल्दी स्नैक्स ले सकते हैं. देन इट इज फॉर मेल पीपल. अल्कोहल, यू हैव टू बी लिटिल सेंसिबल अबाउट द अल्कोहल. अल्कोहल एंड स्मोकिंग आप बंद कर सकते हैं तो अच्छा ही है. अल्कोहल थोड़ा सा सेंसिबली करना है. एंड देन यू डोंट बॉदर अबाउट डायबिटिक फूड. आई नो दैट देयर इज अ क्रेज इन द मार्केट. Oh, this is a diabetic food. Oh, this is a diabetic ice cream. Sugar-free ice cream, sugar-free snacks, sugar-free cake, sugar-free chocolate. But don't go into that diabetic free food. You have to understand that आपको डायबिटीज हो गया है, आपका लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन करना है, आपको बॉडी मूवमेंट्स करना है, आपको एक्सरसाइज करना है. फॉर डायबिटिक पीपल यूर लाइफस्टाइल शुड बी एटलीस्ट आप 5 किलोमीटर चलना ही चलना है. एंड यू हैव टू सी दैट यूर डाइट जो है वो सेंसिबली करना है. बट डायबिटिक वाला खाके आप मानते हो कि मेरा स्पेशल डायबिटिक फ्री फूड, डायबिटिक वाला फूड आ रहा है, मेरा खाकरा भी डायबिटिक वाला है, मेरा शुगर स्वीट्स भी है, शुगर फ्री है, मेरा आइसक्रीम भी है, मेरा चॉकलेट भी है. दैट इज ऑल गिमिक बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स फैट एंड कैलोरी. यू डोंट नो किसमें बनाया है, उसमें कौन सा तरह का फैट यूज किया है, अनसैचुरेटेड फैट यूज किया है, एंड कैलोरी होता ही होता है. दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर डायबिटीज. So you can do the mindful eating. The last one is that you have to load yourself with lot of vitamins and minerals. And I know that आपको भी पता है कि विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स बहुत कम मात्रा में लगते हैं. वो हमारे फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स में आते हैं. तो वेजिटेबल्स तो आप लेंगे ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स और जो भी है. फ्रूट्स के लिए डायबिटिक लोगों को बहुत दिक्कत होती है कि जो फ्रूट्स अच्छे लगते हैं उसमें ज्यादा शुगर होती है एंड देन वो आप नहीं ले सकते हैं. देर आर सर्टन फ्रूट्स की आप वो नहीं ले सकते हैं. तो व्हाट इज अ स्मार्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग, बिकॉज फॉर अ डायबिटिक health, your food is very important. The balanced diet and nutritious diet which is low in salt, low in unsaturated fat and low in carbohydrates, high in fiber and high in protein, but protein digestible protein होना चाहिए. तो इसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? There is a lot of hard work. When diabetes patient घर में होता है तो उसके लिए स्पेशली अलग खाना नहीं बनता है. So it is very very difficult to manage the diet for a diabetic patient. So what is a smart way of doing it? Always I tell that you have to exercise. The first is you have to earn the health to manage your diabetes. Exercise तो करना ही करना है. एटीट्यूड तो पॉजिटिव रखना ही है lifestyle में, and for that you can do the yoga meditation. Today is a yoga day. You have to take a proper sleep, and N comes for the nutrition, as I have given you already tips what to eat, what not to eat, how to do mindful eating. But the smart way of supplementing those additional requirement of minerals and vitamins is by giving the natural supplements, not the artificial supplements. You have to continue your medication, but do you want to increase the medication of the diabetes, or you want to manage your diabetes, or do you want to get involved into the diabetic complication on your eyes, on your heart, on your liver and kidney, and come into the multiple organ failure? It's better to manage the diabetes by supplementing the natural supplements, and you have to take the protein, all plant natural protein powder, which is low in carbohydrate and low in sugar. Market में जो protein powder है, you have to be very cautious that it should not contain the high carbohydrate and high sugar. So I always recommend all plant Nutrilite protein powder, because it is from the vegetarian source and it contains low sugar and low carbohydrate, and it is very good for the diabetic people. For diabetic people, protein requirement is very high, so this is very good. Apart from that, the good fat are there. जैसे मैंने बताया, अनसैचुरेटेड फैट्स नहीं चाहिए. डायबिटिक लोगों को तो केक्स, बिस्किट, आइसक्रीम और हेवी स्नैक्स खाने की आदत होती है, शुगर क्रेविंग्स होता है. तो ऐसे टाइम पे यू हैव टू एट अ फैट, बट दैट इज अ गुड फैट. सो ओमेगा 3 is again a good supplement. Using of olive oil and coconut oil is very good, and naturally multivitamins and minerals. So you keep your foundation right by taking the smart supplements along with the healthy choices. With the exercise, you will be able to manage. And one is our Indian is the ancient culture of Ayurveda, and I have got a very wonderful drug of Ayurveda again from the Nutri and Twak. I'll repeat again because there was a connection got cut. For I had got a very good miraculous key from the Nutrilite Herbal. Today I have watched live streaming of International Yoga Day conducted by various yogic society, and that was sponsored by Nutrilite Herbals. Madhunashini is a wonderful drug of Nutrilite Herbals, which does not cost more than 700 rupees for 60 tablets. It contains Madhunashini and Sunti and Twak, which is Indian culture, and that controls your blood sugar levels and sugar cravings. So your diabetes can be managed. I have given to many customers, and within 1 month, their shooting sugar levels has been managed. I'm not claiming that your diabetes will be stopped, because once diabetic patient will remain a diabetic, only thing is you should not raise your sugar levels more than a normal. You have to manage and keep your blood sugars in the normal, so that you will not end up into the diabetic complication. So for that you can just manage your sugar cravings and manage your blood sugar levels, which cannot be managed if you don't follow the diet and you don't follow. So if you have joined, all the people who have joined, thanks for joining, and hope you have got good tips. If you want to get the personalized customized plan for a diabetic patient according to your culture, you can DM me. I'm a nutrigenomics consultant. That is your DNA, that is your genes are directly related to your food. So your food habits, your genes knows that certain foods are good for you, certain foods are not good for you. So we can have a personalized customized plan for diabetes, and as per your culture, as per your convenience, I can give a very ideal diet plan, but if you don't follow that, you will not get results. So to get a greater results as per your convenience and as per your culture, as per your schedule, we can schedule your diabetic plan supplemented by natural supplements. So here is about diabetes, and diabetes can be prevented if you are aware that there is a diabetes tendency in the home. Even if you have got diabetes, you have to manage the diabetes and reduce your complications and reduce your medication. So here is about diabetes. Have a happy International Yoga Day, and stay tuned for tomorrow's episode Insta Live, and have a great day ahead. Thanks for joining. You can join all my links which is given below. I have got all my social media links on the YouTube, on a blogs and a podcast, where regularly I update on a various topics, not only about the health, because I'm a lifestyle coach and my trademark is a peak energy, peak health and a peak productivity that will give you peace, progress and prosperity in your life. So this is my health handle. You can join me on my YouTube, blogs and podcast, where I talk about the different life issues. Thanks you for joining and have a great day ahead.